Hey everybody, I'm Ryan Schramm. Today I'm going to show you what $1.9 million buys you in Capistrano Beach. But before we do, I noticed a trend. People that are moving to the beach cities are looking for some key features in houses that are close to the beach access. And this house that I'm about to show you, although it's unassuming from the front, it hits all of those main points, and I can't wait for you to see it. Come check it out. All right, come on in, check this place out. The first key point that I wanted you to take away, check out this open concept floor plan. All of the buyers that I'm talking to who are shopping today want a house that's completely open so that if one family member's hanging out in the kitchen, they can talk to somebody else who's in the family room or the dining room. And if you're entertaining and hosting, everybody's a part of the action. Unlike the homes in the 70s and 80s that were all chopped up, today's buyer wants this open concept. And one of my favorite parts, and so many people have commented this on this house, is the circular couch, which does a really nice job of rounding out the square edges in the home. And right when you come in the front door, obviously we're standing in the kitchen. Point number two to take away, this kitchen is already remodeled. Custom cabinets, a tasteful granite, and a really nice stainless steel appliance package, so a buyer can literally purchase this house, take the keys, and move right in. So here we are on the deck of the house. This property is a reverse floor plan, and albeit that's not normally a positive thing, but this house does the reverse floor plan so well from the moment you come in the front door, and this deck becomes one of the focal hangouts of the main level. And what you get back here is a great view of the backyard, which is super dialed in, awesome solar orientation. So the sun is rising in the east, it's coming out over and setting in the west. So you're always getting natural light in here. And getting back to that third key point of a house, it's so important to have a house that has great natural light and the ability to hang out outside and soak up that Southern California sunshine. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite parts of the property. We're talking about those key things that buyers are looking for, right? Well, this house, because it's almost 3,000 square feet and it's a reverse floor plan, has a second family room on the main floor level of the home. The best part about this is, I envision the buyer of this property, they're probably gonna have older kids. How cool would it be to have this second hangout area in this family room, which spills out so nicely to the backyard? And in this backyard, which has a ton of mature landscaping, it looks amazing and lush back here. There's a really sizable spa. You've got the outdoor fireplace. I see this house living so well with two family groups here, or a family that has older children, they have their own place to hang out. It's one of those main attributes of the home that I think offers so much to the buyer demographic that is looking to purchase in these South Orange County beach cities, and one of the reasons why I don't think this house is going to last very long at all. So I told you how this house was almost 3,000 square feet. I'll tell you where you really see it. The bedrooms. The lower level of this home has the primary bedroom and two secondary bedrooms that share a hallway bathroom, but the rooms are so sizable. There's a ton of closet space. And don't forget, on the main floor level of the house, when you come in the front door and you have the open concept living space, there is another junior suite on that floor. So there's 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms that make up this property. So this is where I wanted to end the video and leave you with this. What's always so difficult to find when you go to the beach? It's parking, right? So this house has a super wide paver driveway, easily fits 3 cars, and behind me, the 2-car garage is perfect for all the boards, the e-bikes, the golf cart, which, by the way, an e-bike or golf cart ride to Capo Beach proper from this house is super easy. You just drive right down the street, cross over on Via California, and take Palisades right into the Capo Beach parking lot. And Capo Beach is super unique because it's one of those beaches where you can just back right up to the sand basically, unload your stuff, and you're there. So that's why this house, in my opinion, has everything that a beach community buyer is looking for in today's market. So hey, if you're seeing this and it's still available, come take a tour.